Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Train Your Brain with Nabil. Today we are going to solve Cambridge O-Level Mathematics Paper 1 May-June 2025. Dear students, this is a non-calculator paper and you must answer all the questions. First of all, you have to go through whole information in a very detailed manner. Then you have to see the formula sheet, and after that you have to start attempting your paper. We'll start with the question number 1. Work out 6 minus 2 multiply minus 4. Here we apply board mass rule. First of all, we are going to multiply 2 by minus 4. This becomes 6 minus minus plus 2 4s are 8. Answer would be 14. Now B part, 80 multiplied by 0.2. You can remove decimal by putting 10. Decimal will be removed, 0 will cut by 0. Now 8 times 2 would be 16. Part C, 2 by 9. Write the opposite sign of division, that is multiplication, and write the reciprocal of 5 by 6, that is 6 by 5. Afterwards simplify them. 3 times 3, 3 times 2, 4 by 15 would be your answer. Students, try to write all answers on answer space provided. Question number 2. A bag contains 11 balls. There are 5 blue balls and 4 yellow balls. The rest of the balls are green. A ball is taken from the bag at random. Find the probability that the ball is a yellow ball. Students, first of all, we have to see total balls are 11 and blue balls are 5, yellow balls are 4, and what are green balls? Definitely we are going to subtract the total of blue and yellow from 11. It will be 11 minus 9, 2. Now we have to find out the probability that the ball is yellow. We know the formula for finding the probability, that is desired outcomes over total outcomes. So answer will be 4 by 11. Now B part, not blue. We are going to minus the probability of blue balls from 1. 1 minus 5 by 11. So this becomes 11 times 1, 11 minus 5, 6 by 11. Question number 3. The area of one face of a cube is 9 centimeters square. On the 1 centimeter grid, draw an accurate net of the cube. Now first of all, we have to draw a cube here. If you see that the area of one face, let us suppose this is the first face of your cube, that is 9 centimeters square. with area. What would be the length of each side of this square? So definitely it would be L square is equal to 9 centimeters square. Taking root on both sides, L will be 3. It means that each length of this cube would be 3. Usually a cube has 6 faces. Over here we have to draw 6 faces each of length 3. So we can start drawing uh, from this, or you can start drawing from anywhere, like 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, and 1, 2 and 3. This is face number 1, and we can draw another face as well. That would be here, the bottom, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3 again, 1, 2 and 3 again. Now the other 4 faces, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3 here, and 1, 2 and 3 here, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, and 1, 2 and 3. Similarly, we have to draw other rect squares as well, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, and 1, 2 and 3. The last one, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, and 1, 2 and 3. So students, have you noticed one thing, that each side of a square is having length of 3 centimeter or 3 units? Just observe. And usually a cube has 6 faces, and we have drawn 6 faces as well. Next question. Question number 4. AEC and BED are straight lines, and ED is equal to EC. Find the value of x. We have to find out the value of x. Students, just see the indicators. One angle in front of indicated side is 35, that is shown over here, and what would be the other angle in front of indicated side? That would also be 35, as this is isosceles triangle. Now we know that the sum of interior angles of uh, any triangle is equal to 180 degree. So by using this property we can find out the other angle, that is let us say this is angle y. So angle y degree plus 35 degree plus 35 degree. In place of sum we can write 180. 180 is equal to y degree plus 70 degree, it is 70. Now subtract it from 180 degree. 180 minus 70 degree is equal to y. So the answer of y degree would be 110. As we have to find out angle x, just see, this is the vertically opposite angle, that is also 110. Now we will again use the same property to find out angle x, that is angle x plus 110 plus 48 is equal to 180 degree. Just add 110 with 48, we get 8 5 158. So x degree plus 158 degree is equal to 180. So we have to minus it. 180 minus 158. So this would be, we are going to subtract. So it would be 2 to 22. This would be the answer. So angle x would be equals to 22. Now next question. It's a very simple. First of all, we can expand it. 5 times 4 20 minus 5x is equal to 35. Now 35 minus 20 is equal to minus 5x. Minus 5x is equal to 15. So x is equal to 15 divided by minus 5, that would be minus 3. So it was a very simple question, it's not complicated. So moving towards next question now. The scale of a diagram shows in the position of two villages A and B. The scale is given 1 centimeter to 5 kilometer. Find the actual distance between two villages A and B. Students, put your scale here at A and then at B and take the measurement. It would be approximately 6 centimeter. Now as scale is 1 centimeter to 5 kilometer, so 6 centimeter would be how many kilometers? So we have to do cross multiply. X equals to 6 times 5, so the actual scale would be 30. Next part. Village C is on the bearing of 060 degree from village A, and village C is on a bearing of 320 degree from village B. Find and label the position of village C on the scale drawing. Students, we have to use protractor here. As village C is on the bearing of 60 degree from village A, so we are going to place D over here like this. Definitely this is 0 degree and this is 90 degree, and 45 degree would be here in the middle of 0 and 90, and approximately your 60 degree would be marked here. You have to use a protractor for this. So village C is on the bearing of 320 from village B. Now we are going to place D over here. Let me extend this line. Now put your, actually this is 180 degree, a straight line. As we have to find the bearing of 320 from village B, so we are going to subtract 320 and 180. So this becomes 0, we'll take 1 carry, this come 40 to 140 degree. Now place your D here like this. and this is your 0 degree and this is your 90 degree. So angle 140 would be somewhere here. This is the position of C. Next question now. Evaluate 125 raised power 1 by 3. So 125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5 raised to power 1 by 3. So it would be 5 raised power 3 into 1 over 3, and the answer would be 5. Next question. 4 raised to power minus 2. Just reciprocate it. It would be 1 over 4, power would be positive. So it would be 1 over 16. A very simple question. Next question. Asha records the distance from she walks and the time she takes from each of 10 walks. The table shows her results. Distance is given and time is given. Students, first of all, we have to see the measurement of one box. If you see the difference here, that is 1. So divide 1 with 5, as there are 5 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and you get 0.2 for one box on x-axis. So the measurement of one box on x-axis is 0.2. Now see the y-axis. So just see the difference, that is 10. 10 divided by number of boxes 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is equal to 2. 2 unit for one box on y-axis. So afterwards we are going to plot rest of the values, as the shaded one have already been plotted. So against 4.2 we have to plot 52. So 4.2 would be here, and 52 would be here approximately. Now 9 and 116. 9 is here and 116 would be here. 110, 112, 114, 116 would be here. Now 3.8 and 49. 3.8 would be here, like this point, and 49. 49 would be here above, below 60 a little bit. Then 5.6 and 62. 5.6 and 62 would be here approximately. Now we have to draw a line of best fit. So try to draw your line in such a way that it should be a balanced one. Maximum or the average points should be above the line or below the line. I'm going to draw a line here. So this is the best fit line. Now Asha walks for another walk. She walks a distance of 6.8 kilometer. Use your line of best fit to estimate the time Asha takes for a walk. Now students, here uh, 6.8. We have to see the value again. 6.8, that is 6.8 would be here, and the answer would be 82, 84, 86 approximately. So it is 86 minutes. Next question. The diagram shows a rectangle that is having length 87.1 millimeter and 23.6 millimeter. Length and width is given. By writing each number correct to one significant figure, find an estimate for the area of rectangle. First of all, we have to see length, that is equal to 87.1. So after uh, rounding it off up to one significant figure, it would be 90, and the width would be 23.6, and this would be 20. So the area would be length into breadth, 90 multiplied by 20, it would be 0, 0, 1800 would be the answer. Next question. Write the product of 2 to 8. So 2 to 8, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, then again by 2, 2 fives are 10, 1 carry, 2 sevens are 14, then it would be divided by 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are, and then 19 ones are 19. So it would be 2 to 8 would be equals to 2 times 2 times 3 times 19, or it can also be written as 2 raised power 2 multiplied by 3 raised power 3 into 19. This would be the answer. Now moving towards next part. Write 51984 as a product of its prime factors. So we have already found the prime factors of this one. So by taking its square, we can find out the prime factors of 51984. So it will be 2 times 4 into 3 times 2 into 19 square. So this would be the answer. That would be 2 raised power 4 into 3 raised power 2 into 19 raised power 2. This would be answer. Now next question. The mass of a small box is x kilogram and the mass of a large box is y kilogram. The total mass of 4 small boxes and 6 large boxes is 30 kg. Show that 2x plus 3y is equal to 15. First of all, we have to see that your small boxes is x kg, that are 4 in number. So we can write here 4x and mean plus 6 large boxes, 6y is equal to 30. So by taking 2 as common, we have 2x plus 3y is equal to 30. So divided by 2 on both sides. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 15, and this is shown. B part. The total mass of 6 small boxes and 1 large box is 13 kg. Use this information to write down an equation in terms of x and y. So 6 small boxes 6x plus 1 large box means y is equal to 13 kg. So this is the answer. Next part. Solve the simultaneous equations to find the mass of a small box and the mass of a large box. You must show all your working. So first of all, we have to take the above equation, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 15, and the other equation 6x plus y is equal to 13. We can use elimination method for this. Uh, you can multiply equation number 1 by 3. So this becomes 6x plus 9y is equal to 45, and 6x plus y is equal to 13. Now we can eliminate both equations. We have to change signs. Sign is plus, we can write minus here, its sign is plus. We can write minus here, its sign is plus. We can write minus here. Now this would be cancelled out. So 9y minus y is equal to 8y is equal to 45 minus 13 would be 32. So the value of y would be 32 divided by 8. It will be 4. This would be answer for y. Now we have to find out the value for x. Substitute this value in any one of the equations. If I substitute this value in the first equation, that is 2x plus 3 4 is equal to 15, I have substituted this value. So 2x plus 12 is equal to 15. Now 2x is equal to 15 minus 12. 2x is equal to 3. The value of x would be equals to 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1.5. So these are two answers. For small box it is 1.5 kg, and for large box it is 4 kg. Now this is another question, a very important question. Describe fully the single transformation that maps A onto B. First of all, we have to see whether it is a reflection or a rotation. For that purpose, we have to match their corresponding vertices. If they are parallel, so it means that it is a reflection case, and if they are not parallel, so means it is a rotation case. Let us see it. So first of all, I'm going to join their corresponding vertices. Students, see, they are not parallel. It means this is not a case of reflection. So it is understood that this is rotation. It cannot be enlargement because your image is not enlarged, or it cannot be translated shape as well, because under translation your shape remains as it is never flipped, it is never turned or resized. So this is 100% a case of rotation. And we have to write three important points about rotation. Number one, you have to write rotation, and it is A on to B, or we have to find center and then direction and angle as well. To find out the center, we have to use a pair of compass, and we have to find out the perpendicular bisector of both the lines. And you know that how to find out the perpendicular bisector. And for that purpose we have to place our compass at one of the corners and open your compass more than the half of the line, and make an arc of radius above the line and below the line as well. And same process we have to do with other as well. So approximately it would be, yeah, so same process you have to do with other side as well. And after doing it, you will see that your both perpendicular bisectors would be meeting at one certain points. As I don't have compass, so I can just guess your both perpendicular bisectors would be matching at this point. Like this would be your center of rotation, and that would be -2 and 1. So this is your center. Now direction, that is understood that your object is rotated 90-degree clockwise. So one mark for each answer. Now moving towards a B part. Draw the image of triangle A after a reflection in the line x is equal to -1. So students, your line x is equal to -1 would be here, and that is this is your line of reflection, that is x is equal to -1, and we have to reflect uh, object A. If you see that is start from here 1 2 1 and 2, it would be reflected here 1 2 and 3 4 and 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and just see the top one 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 and 4. So your shape is reflected. Students, you have to keep in mind one thing, that your line of reflection is also called mirror line and line of symmetry as well. And if you see the difference from both, like the ends, it will be same. Like here the distance from here to the object and from here to the image is same. You see there are 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 units, 4 units here and 4 units here, and same goes for other two corners as well, for this corner and this corner and this corner and this corner. Now moving towards next part, that is very important part, C part. Triangle A is enlarged with a scale factor k, which we don't know, and the center 0 0. Triangle C is the image of triangle A. After the enlargement, the coordinates of one vertex of triangle C are 12, 13. Find the value of k. So as the center is given, that is 0 0. So a very easy thing that we can read out the coordinates of triangle A according to this origin. So the first coordinate would be 1 1, and the second coordinate would be 4 1, and the third would be 3 2. If you see, I have read all the coordinates. Now these are the coordinates of object, and that is A. Now the image is C, whose one coordinate is given, that is 12 3. Students, just see it. If you take 3 as common, this becomes 4 1, and this becomes equals to this one. It means that your scale factor is 3. So rest of the coordinates would be 1 1, and that would be multiplied by 3, 3 and 3, and the other coordinate would be uh, 3 2. We have to multiply it by 3 as well, so this becomes 9 and 6. This would be the answer. So students, today we have solved from question number 1 till 12, and inshallah in my next lecture you will see rest of the questions. I hope that you have understood. Kindly share my videos with others, classmates as well. Stay blessed, take care, Allah Hafiz.